On May 8, 2025, the Catholic Church witnessed a historic moment. Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost, a 69-year-old from Chicago, was elected the 267th Pope. He chose the name Pope Leo XIV. This election marks a significant turning point, as he is the first American to ascend to the papacy. The white smoke billowing from the Sistine Chapel chimney signaled the end of the conclave. The world watched with bated breath as Cardinal Jean-Louis Tauran, the senior cardinal deacon, stepped onto the balcony of St. Peter's Basilica. The announcement that followed sent ripples of astonishment and anticipation across the globe. Pope Leo XIV's election carries profound implications for a church navigating the complexities of the 21st century. His American identity adds a unique layer to the papacy, a role deeply intertwined with global affairs and spiritual leadership. This landmark event has generated both excitement and apprehension. Many view it as an opportunity for the Church to bridge divides and engage with contemporary challenges in a new light. Others express concerns about potential shifts in doctrine and practice. The new pontiff's background is as compelling as his historic election. Before his elevation to the College of Cardinals, then Cardinal Prevost served as the Prefect of the Dicastery for bishops. In this crucial role, he oversaw the selection and appointment of bishops worldwide. This experience provided him with invaluable insights into the challenges and opportunities facing the global church. His tenure in this position suggests a commitment to collaborative leadership. This approach, characterized by consultation and dialogue, could define his papacy. The election of Pope Leo XIV marks the dawn of a new era for the Catholic Church. As the first American pope, he brings a unique perspective and set of experiences to the papacy. The world awaits with a mix of anticipation and curiosity to see how his leadership will shape the Church in the years to come. The future holds both challenges and possibilities, and the new pontiff's navigation of these complexities will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on the Catholic Church's trajectory. While Pope Leo XIV's American origin is historically significant, it is his experience beyond American borders that truly shaped his pastoral approach. Born and raised in Chicago, Illinois, the future pope's journey took an unexpected turn early in his religious life. He joined the Augustinian order, a religious community known for its commitment to education, social justice, and missionary work. This decision laid the foundation for a life dedicated to serving others, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. Following his ordination in 1982, Father Prevost embarked on a path that would profoundly influence his worldview and pastoral sensibility. He received an assignment to Chiclayo, Peru, a bustling city on the country's northern coast. This experience immersed him in a vibrant culture grappling with poverty, social inequality, and the reverberations of political turmoil. For over a decade, he served as a missionary and later as Bishop of Chiclayo. During this time, he demonstrated a deep commitment to social justice, working tirelessly to improve the lives of the marginalized and advocating for the rights of the poor and vulnerable. His dedication to the Peruvian people went beyond pastoral duties. He immersed himself in the local culture, becoming fluent in Spanish and even obtaining Peruvian citizenship. This profound connection with Peru fostered a deep understanding of the challenges faced by the global South, an experience that will undoubtedly inform his papacy. His time in Chiclayo instilled in him a deep appreciation for the universality of the human experience. It also highlighted the need for a church that is sensitive to the diverse realities of its global flock. Pope Leo XIV's journey from Chicago to Chiclayo and eventually to the Vatican is a testament to his unwavering faith, his commitment to serving others, and his ability to embrace different cultures. His experiences have shaped him into a leader who is both deeply spiritual and acutely aware of the social, economic, and political realities of the world. As he embarks on his papacy, the world watches with anticipation, eager to see how his global perspective and pastoral heart will guide the Catholic Church in the years to come. The election of Pope Leo XIV comes at a time of significant global unrest and uncertainty. The world faces unprecedented challenges, from climate change and geopolitical tensions to economic inequality and social fragmentation. In this context, the papacy takes on a heightened significance. The Catholic Church, with its vast global reach and moral authority, has a crucial role to play in promoting peace, justice, and dialogue. As the first American pope, Leo XIV brings a unique perspective to these global challenges. His understanding of American culture and politics, coupled with his extensive experience in Latin America, positions him as a potential bridge builder between North and South, East and West. His papacy offers a glimmer of hope for improved relations between the United States and the Latin American region, marked by a complex history of political and economic entanglements. Beyond geopolitics, Pope Leo XIV's focus on social justice and his commitment to the poor and marginalized resonate deeply in a world grappling with rising inequality. His papacy is poised to amplify the Church's voice on issues such as climate change, migration, and human trafficking. His leadership could galvanize Catholics and people of goodwill worldwide to address these pressing global concerns with renewed urgency. The world is watching closely as Pope Leo XIV navigates the complex web of international relations and global challenges. His ability to foster dialogue, build bridges, and advocate for the most vulnerable will be crucial in determining his legacy. The stakes are high, but the potential for positive change is significant. The hope is that his papacy will usher in an era of greater understanding, cooperation, and solidarity among nations and peoples. Pope Leo XIV inherits a church grappling with internal divisions and the need for reform. His predecessor, Pope Francis, initiated a period of significant change, emphasizing a more merciful and inclusive church. The question now is how Pope Leo XIV will navigate these internal dynamics while addressing calls for further reform. One key area of focus is likely to be the role of lay people, particularly women, within the Church. Pope Francis appointed more women to leadership positions within the Vatican than any previous pope. He also spoke openly about the need for greater recognition of women's contributions to the Church. It remains to be seen whether Pope Leo XIV will continue this trajectory and what concrete steps he will take to empower women in decision-making roles. Another pressing issue is the Church's stance on LGBTQ+ inclusion. Pope Francis famously said, "Who am I to judge?" when asked about gay priests. However, the Church's official teaching on homosexuality remains unchanged. Pope Leo XIV will likely face pressure from both conservative and progressive voices within the Church on this issue. How he chooses to navigate these competing demands will have significant implications for the Church's relationship with LGBTQ+ Catholics and the wider world. Pope Leo XIV's papacy is poised to be a time of both continuity and change. While he faces the daunting task of leading a global church grappling with complex challenges, he also inherits a legacy of reform and renewal. His ability to balance tradition with the need for adaptation will be crucial in determining the future direction of the Catholic Church. The world waits with bated breath to witness how he will shepherd the Church into a new era. His actions will determine whether he can heal divisions, promote unity, and offer a message of hope and compassion to a world in dire need of both.